Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. And now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and voice match. Enable Hey Google function. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.